Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Henry the Hoover, so let's go. As you can see, this is what the box looks like. We've got the boy Henry over here with his little suction cup, and yeah, let's go open it. So this is everything out of the box. This is what we got. We got the boy himself, all shiny. Look at that. Henry, it's just his nose. But yeah, let's go make this. I was trying to fit a bag in here, but there's already a bag inside, so I'm guessing this is just a spare. So yeah, let's get to cleaning now. So yeah, I got the pipe built now. Look how long this is. This is probably like bronze, but never mind. So I've got everything set up, and this is what it looks like. Don't watch the mess, but yeah. So yeah, I used the Henry. It's got very good suction. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Bye.